Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Come, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Digvijay, your name is Digvijay Ramesh Sawant.
Yes.
Okay. Your father was in the army. Uh, when did he retire?
In before 2 years means only 2024.
So what is he doing now?
Now he is in canal irrigation.
In?
Canal irrigation department.
Acha, okay. Canal irrigation. Canal
Yes.
irrigation. Okay. Okay. I didn't hear properly. Canal irrigation.
Yes.
So what is he doing in canal irrigation?
Means my father work is to give water to all the plants.
Okay. So you release water from the canals.
Yes.
Why don't you join canal irrigation department?
Means because my father has told me to join army only.
What is good about army?
Army is best for me for my education, culture. For that army is best for me.
Your father was, where was he last posted?
In Punjab.
In Punjab. What regiment is he from?
He is not from regiment. Means he is from. Miss I don't sir I don't know regiment of my father.
Acha, okay. You must know.
Okay.
You know, because your father, what regiment was he from? Where did he serve? All this. He must have been in the army for at least 15, 20 years.
Yes, 15 years.
15 years, yes. So where all was he there in 15 years? Was he in Himachal Pradesh? Was he in Arunachal Pradesh? Was he? You should have a broad knowledge. Okay,
Yes.
your father now is, working in the canal department. Your mother is Deepali Sawant, and she's, what does she do?
She is a homemaker.
Does she do anything more in addition to running home?
She is only means middle class, so homemaker only she.
Did she teach you anything when you prepared
Yes, when my father is not at home,
for the?
he gone to everywhere for one day. So my mother take my homework.
So what homework did she? What subject did she teach you?
My mother teach me like English or give me only example. Ask me example of English GK.
Okay. So your mother has also taught you, no? Between
Yes.
father and mother, who's helped you more?
My father, because my mother has household chores.
Okay.
So she kind taught me.
Okay. You got 92% marks in the fifth class,
Yes.
which is good. 92. So how many students in your class have got more marks than you?
There are 3-4 students.
What is the strength of your class?
39.
So after 39, what was your rank in the class?
5.
So-
Almost 5.
So these 39 students who are in the class, what exam are they appearing for? Or how many have appeared for RMS?
No one was appeared for RMS. No one from our class. Only I.
So what do they want to do?
They are now in school. They have appeared for only Sainik school.
For Sainik school.
Yes.
Acha, okay. So who told you about you are a part of ICANN, ICT, etc.?
Yes.
Which ICT? There's one at Satara, is it?
Yes. Satara offline.
Satara. So was it helpful?
Yes, it was more helpful for me for my career
How?
because in ICANN I taught many things. They told us very much nicely. Nicely, they teaches every subject. I go in ICANN class at 8 a.m. and
You went physically or you went online?
Physically means offline classes.
Offline classes. Okay.
Yes.
So it helped you.
Yes.
So are you a better student after appearing these classes?
Yes.
What field did you improve in?
Sorry. Sir.
Which subject you improved?
Maths.
Maths. So the maths teacher was good.
Yes.
Okay. Now my next question is your hobby. You said is to play cricket.
Yes.
Okay. So in last 1 year, how many times did you go on the cricket field and play cricket?
Only this is my second year. In last year only sometime I go On Sunday, sometimes.
So how many? What is sometimes? 10 times in the year, or 15 times, or 20 times?
About 15 times.
15 times you went.
Yes.
Other time you didn't have time.
Yes.
Okay. Now this extracurricular activities, you are written
Co-curricular activities.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Means in co-curricular activity, it involves craft, drawing, or other things. Means activities.
Acha, craft and drawing. So
Yes.
what drawing you draw?
I like to draw drawing of Ganesha.
You can draw my photograph. If I give you a paper,
No.
मेरा
Yeah.
एक पेंसिल देता हूँ, ये लो पेंसिल, मेरा फोटोग्राफ ड्रॉ करो.
Yes, that not is my drawing. That's very nice. But I can draw 2D drawings like
Acha.
Ganesha.
Okay. Now who told you about RMS?
My father told me about RMS to appear.
What is the advantage of going to RMS?
The advantages are that it in RMS we can get very much discipline, manner. They teaches us.
What will be your life like when you go to RMS?
Oh, sorry.
What will be your routine when you go to RMS?
Simple routine means I will wake up at 5 a.m. Then I will go to walk. Means they take all the students for walk.
Students go for a walk or they go for a run? Run. Students don't walk.
Okay.
Old people walk.
Okay.
Okay.
Run for.
Okay. And then classes in the afternoon, extra
Yes,
studies, etc. Okay. So tell me, if you're away from home, you'll not remember your parents?
I will remember them. I will remember them so much that they helps me lot. My mother wake up at 5 a.m. to make my tiffin. And she also manages household chores. My father came to take me.
Who came with you here?
My father.
Your father is here now.
Yes.
Acha, okay. Now my second last question: if you don't get selected for RMS, what will you do?
If I don't get selected for RMS, I will try once more. I will do hard work.
You have one more chance is available to you.
Then I will take for NDA or another exams.
Okay, like what?
NEET or CET.
Needs, etc.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now you can also join this RMS even in the 8th class also.
Yes.
If you can't join now,
Yes.
you can join 8th class also. Plus, there are many other options available like SPI, etc.
Yes.
You should know about it. Okay. My last question is, if you don't get selected, then what do you do for RMS?
I will try once more in 8th standard.
Okay.
Yes,
Or,
like-
or later also. Now, suppose, have you got your medical done? Medical examination done?
No.
Okay, now I'm sure if you pass RMS, they'll send you for a medical.
Yes.
Okay, so that time in any case, you'll come to know whether you're medically completely fit or not. Okay, my last question is, if I ask you to ask me a question, what question will you ask me?
Like, sir, which question should I ask?
You ask anything. You should ask me, since I'm interviewing you, would you not like to know what are your strong points, what are my weak points, how do I improve, etc.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Now, you ask me a question.
Yes.
Sir, you interviewed me for last 15 minutes. Tell me what are my weak points. Then I'll tell you your weak points. Why should I, what is the advantage to you? If I tell you about your weak points, what is the advantage to you?
I will improve it.
You'll be able to improve it.
Yes.
Because anything in which you are weak at, you have to improve on that.
Okay.
Okay. So therefore, your focus should be how to improve further, because it's a competitive examination, and out of 100, only 30 are going to get through.
Yes.
Okay. So therefore, you should be improving and improving and improving.
Yes.
Okay.